Hey beauties. So yesterday I got a lot of compliments on my makeup, even got asked for some makeup tutorials on the look. So I am going to give you guys a semi makeup tutorial on my look from last night. And I say semi tutorial look because I actually went to sleep in my eyebrows and my eye makeup. So I didn't have to do them today. So don't judge me. The concealer that I'm using under my eyes is from Tarte. It's their Shape Tape and it is in medium tan sand. The concealer that I'm using on my nose, just in the middle, is from NARS and it's in color Biscuit. Today I'm gonna do like the base of my makeup with a powder foundation, which will be a little bit different than what I used yesterday, which was a liquid foundation, but I'm gonna achieve the same look. I'm going to set my under eye and the side of my nose with my banana powder. I'm going to conceal the dark marks on my face with NARS concealer, but in the little jar. It's a thicker consistency and I feel like it covers dark blemishes better than in this tube. Last night I used a liquid foundation from MAC. Today I don't want to use something so heavy, so I'm just going to use my powder foundation from Lemire. It is really good coverage, but it is a really hydrating light formula. You see that? This is like really amazing, easy coverage. I'll just go back over and use a brush to really blend that in and blend it out. I'll go back in and set my under eye just a little heavier. Let's get into these cheekbones. I like to put my contour just a tad bit higher because I feel like doing it lower, it gets even lower. So doing it a little higher, it turns out into the right spot, if that makes sense. Can you see that difference? Now I'll take the residue from the contour on my cheeks and I'll put it on my nose to start my nose contour. To contour my jawline underneath and then my chin. Now I'll go in with my bronzer. This is from NARS. It's their Samoa Matte. Just go over my cheeks. And then in the corners of my forehead here and here. I also like to take a little bit of this and go across my nose right here and then bring it to the side a little bit. I'll finish the contour on my nose by bringing it into my eyebrow up here and then like blending it in as well. I want to touch up my eyebrows just a little bit, and I use this pencil from NYX, and this color is ash brown, to set the sides of my contour. Let's get into the lip I did last night. I started off with a red lip liner and it's from Natasha Denona. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The color is I Need a Rogue Lip Crayon. Once I did the red lip liner, I went over it with this MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. Now this was the actual first time I've done a red lip with a darker outline and I was obsessed with how it turned out. So I'm going to be wearing this more often. Then I went over my lips with this color from Sam Marcel. It's Isabella. Now, no matter if I'm wearing lip gloss with liner or a lipstick, I always have to go around my lips with concealer because I feel like the liner or the lipstick never bleeds out and it really stays the best when I do this. Also makes it look really clean and crisp. Now my blush from Pat McGrath Labs. This is Love Struck. I absolutely love blush so much, as you can tell. I put highlighter at the tip of my nose and here, and the inner corners of my eyes as well. I'm gonna just touch up my mascara on my bottom lashes and my top lashes. Yesterday, I didn't wear lashes, which is a little surprising to me, but I also felt like I didn't need them. Like the liner that I did was really, really giving with this look. And that is it, beauties. Like, I'm so obsessed with this lip. I think when I wear, oh, I think when I wear a red lip now, this is gonna be the combo for that. But tell me what you think.